Hi, good evening, guys. This is Bala from Technical Learners, and today we are going to see about what is the result of our prediction which we had done at the morning. Yes, this is our support and resistance. Those pink horizontal lines are our support and resistance, and this green ascending trend line and will act as support, and this act and above green trend line act as resistance, which I told you at the morning. And this is 1 hour time frame, and I told you this trend line will act as uh, descending trend line will act as a resistance. One in each and every touch of this trend line we can sell the market, which I was told you at the morning. Let us see what is happened in crude oil from morning, and I'm converting it into 5 minutes. And I told you guys that I am going to choose the swing, that this is swing low and this is swing high. I'm going to choose this swing, and once this swing low breaks or this swing high breaks, I'm going to take trades like that. Once 2855 breaks means I'm going to sell the market up to this trend line I told that morning. Actually, exactly it is done like that. Once 2855 break, it went up to the trend line, which is our target, and I gave call also by using this. And see, I'm showing you the call which I was given at morning. See here, I gave seller 2865 to 68, SL 2880, and target was 2852 and 2842 was target, and both the targets done. After that, in this place here, in this place also cell call was given by my student, and I also uploaded to this to that in our Telegram channel also as a screenshot. I'll show you how the proof that she told exactly sell at the top, and her target also done. See, in a day you can see hundreds of messages in our group, because everyone will be active in our group. Everybody do practice and everybody do trade. Everybody here will always be active. See, next cell is at 52 54, SL 72, target 28. Exactly done. See, from 54 to it fall up to her target. Exactly done her target, and market raised from here. Once 79 closed, I told to buy, but here after 79 break, the next candle didn't close above this previous candle. That's why it failed to make new high. This is also we predict at the live market, and this fall also we predict at the live market, and we know that here a harmonics will form. See here, 1.13 is an harmonic bat pattern which was formed, and we easily predicted this move also earlier itself. I'll show the proof. That is bank nifty chart. This is also, I think, nifty chart. Everyone is rocking in our group. Here one of my student made profit 12,000 in in nifty, bank nifty. And see, this is what we predicted before itself. We predicted the fall up to D point, it is going to fall. We predicted, not me, one of our student predicted this fall, and exactly it has came up to our target. See, I also gave call in 54 we can sell. Our target will be 17 like that, and our target because of the reason is this only, because of fib and fib extension I gave that call. Exactly it gone to our target. See here, our target done. This is how we will trade in the market, and see how exactly he is predicting the market. And the upside movement after this, market went high, right? So this high also we predicted at the earliest stage itself. See, I told to choose him the before swing, so he chose the before swing and he predicted the exact market movement. like anything. See, everybody is rocking in our group. No one is sitting simply, and everyone is making profits, and everybody is doing a perfect job. After PRC zone, market is going high. See, in 15 minutes time frame, it exactly touched the support. This is this green line. This is what we told at the morning itself. It will act as a inclined support. Support means what? In each and every touches, market needs to bounce. That is known as support. So exactly market touched the support, inclined support, and market raised from this. And see, we told this as a resistance here, declined resistance, and exactly market reached this declined resistance, and market is now falling. This is how we are going to make profits in market. I told you after 79 breaks means our target will be 2910. This is the our next resistance, and our target. If resistance break also, we are not going to expect up to this or this. We are going to expect up to this trend line, this descending trend line, because there is a hurdle, right? This will act as a decline resistance. So we told to book here. After that, see, it didn't break that. Before video, it show that candle doesn't closed above this, and here in this video, see, here it closed and falling from here. So it will come up to this, or 287, or up to 2857, or again it will come up to the trend line also, like this. See, today from here to here, each and every moment we predicted in crude oil, and I also showed you the proof how we are predicting the crude oil inch by inch in intraday. This is how we predict the market. Once you know technicals very well, then you can predict the market inch by inch. Each and every moment you can easily predict, and you can trade like a rock star. Okay guys, thank you.